How do I add multiple bank accounts to Zelle?
Hello there. Today, we'll be tackling a frequently asked question. How can you add multiple bank accounts to your Zelle account? This process is quite straightforward, but it's important to note that Zelle's system may limit you to linking one bank account at a time.
Understanding Zelle's bank account policy.
To start, you should know that Zelle's current policy allows linking to one bank account at a time per user. This is for your security and to simplify transactions. Zelle is designed to be a fast, safe, and easy way to send money directly between bank accounts in the US, so, if you need to use a different bank account, you may need to unlink your current account and then link the new one.
How to change your linked bank account.
So, if you want to link a new bank account, how do you go about it? Here's a quick guide. 1. Log into your Zelle account through the mobile app or your bank's website. 2. Go to the Settings or Profile section. 3. Locate the Linked Accounts option. 4. Here you should see the bank accounts linked to your Zelle profile. Select the account you wish to remove. 5. Click on Unlink or Remove. 6. After you've unlinked the old bank account, you can add a new bank account by clicking on the Add Account button. 7. Follow the prompts to enter your new bank account details and complete the verification process.
Things to consider.
Before you change your linked bank account, there are a few things to consider. Ensure you have access to your new bank account and all the necessary details before you start the process. There might be pending transactions on the old account that you need to clear before removing it. Switching accounts frequently might raise security concerns, so only do it when necessary. So that's how you manage multiple bank accounts with Zelle. While you can't have several accounts linked at once, changing the linked account is quite straightforward. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this information useful. As always, ensure to keep your banking details secure and happy banking with Zelle.